Hello everyone! Now we will start online Japanese culture lesson 2. The topic of this lesson is the events in February. What do Japanese people do in February? Let's take a look. What events are taking place in February in your country? In Japan, an event called Setsubun takes place in February. Setsubun. Setsubun is the day when the seasons are divided. This is the day before the beginning of spring, the day when winter turns into spring. Mamemaki, bean-throwing ceremony, is held at shrines and at homes. Mamemaki, held at Setsubun, is a ceremony of exorcising disease and disasters that usually happen at the change of seasons. In the old days, in Japan, evil spirits were called oni, demon, and good spirits were called fuku, luck. Even now, people scatter soybeans inside and outside the house in accordance with the chant Oni wa soto, fuku wa uchi. Finally, people eat the same amount of soybeans as their age to pray for the health. And on this day, Japanese people eat ehomaki. Eho is the direction in which the god Totokujin dwells, and the direction changes every year. Ehomaki are sushi rolls that you bite while facing to the good direction, which is considered to be eho. It is said that your wish will come true if you eat the whole ehomaki quietly. There are 7 ingredients in ehomaki. The examples of the ingredients are kampyo, cucumber, thick omelette, eel, sakura denbu, simmered shiitake mushroom. Nowadays, ehomaki with various ingredients are being sold. There is also the concept of kazoe-doshi, counting years. Kazoe-doshi. When you are born, you turn 1 year old, and you turn 2 years old on New Year's Day, January 1st, of the following year. In other words, the counting year is the current age plus 1 year. Traditional events are often considered in the terms of kazoe-doshi. The usual way of calculating age is called mannenrei, full age. Are there any legends about scary creatures in your country? In Japan, there is an imaginary scary creature called oni. I will introduce oni. Oni is a Japanese monster. They are imaginary creatures. They have bull horns on their heads and tiger skins on their belts. They look like strong and horrible men. They are often considered as evil. Here, our Japanese teacher read one article about oni. Everyone, please read it. If there are some words that you don't know, please look them up in the dictionary.
ずっと昔、京都の山にある鬼が住んでいました。この鬼は悪いことをたくさんして人々を困らせていました。長い間、村を荒らす鬼に悩んでいた人々は、ついにこの鬼を退治することにしました。鬼が酒を飲んで眠っているうちに、村の男たちは山に向かい、毒がついている武器を使って鬼の首を切ることに成功しました。鬼はとても強かったので、首を切っても襲いかかってきましたが、とうとう力尽き、人々は鬼を倒すことができました。
Let's read another article about oni.
このように鬼は人を困らせることもありますが、人々を悪いものから守ってくれる鬼もいます。 昔鬼が住んでいたと言われる新潟県の島では、人々の安全や作物がよく取れることを祈りながら鬼が家を回っていく鬼太鼓と呼ばれる伝統的な行事が行われています。そこでは鬼は悪い生き物ではなく、反対に人々を悪者から守る頼もしい存在とされているのです。
We can see there are also good oni. How do you feel after reading the description of oni? Here is the summary for this lesson. I introduced the events in February. Let's read often used words together again. 節分、豆まき、数え年、恵方巻き、鬼。That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.